Hey, welcome to the channel. Austin here. I want to talk to you about, has crypto recovered? Do we have more risk? Is there a breakout coming soon? So we're going to talk about this crypto news in this video. As always, thanks for giving me a few minutes. I greatly appreciate you. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and let's jump into this. So right now, crypto is down about 1%. Actually, not really hugely surprising. Kind of got a flat market going on. Remember, a couple of days ago, we had 2 days of pretty much fairly significant red playing out. Bitcoin has re-achieved and gotten back up over that $100,000 mark, which is good to see that. That's a good level to hold and to be at. We got Ethereum knocking on the door of 4,000, so that's good stuff there. But overall, it really feels like the bears don't want control, the bulls don't want control. So let's talk about, is there a breakout coming soon, or we have more risk? And I think one of the best things to do here is to look back at, remember, we're in a 4-year cycle, and we are coming into obviously the best part of that in relationship to kind of looking at historical 4-year trends. And if we look at the month of December, going back for each 4-year cycle, it's interesting what the numbers show us. Now, you see at the very top here, this is a chart showing the Bitcoin monthly returns, but you can equate the Bitcoin returns to obviously returns for the entire crypto market as well. So even if you don't own Bitcoin, this applies to you if you own Cardano, Polkadot, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, whatever it may be, right? Okay. So in that, see at the very top, we have 2024. Left side, you have the years. Top, you have the months. So if we go all the way over to the right, you see December right there. We are at a 0.39% up. So that means that Bitcoin is up 3.9%, sorry, in the month of December. Not quite caffeinated yet. Okay. If we look at 23, it was up 12%. If we look at 22, it was down 3.5%. And we look at 21, it was down 18. But look at 2020, the last month of the last 4-year cycle. Okay. Bitcoin went up 46+%. All right. If we look at 2016, Bitcoin went up 30%. Okay. So interesting scenario there. Right now, we are not really doing anything. We're pretty far off of these historical percentage moves. But looking at 2020 was 47%, approximately 47%, and 2016 was approximately 30%. So that says historically, we have a tremendous amount of upside opportunity for the remaining 2 weeks of December. Interesting, right? So, and you kind of juxtapose that against where we've been in the month of in the previous, in the 2 months of in the first 2 weeks, of December. It's been very flat. It's really not done anything. Again, evidenced by the percentage moves up 3.9%. Okay. So we have the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting out there still. They're expected to lower the base interest rate. That should help fuel some of this, but it's going to be interesting to watch to see how the catalyst for what we should be getting as far as a pretty significant percentage gain move up, looking at 2020 and 2016 respectively, right? Where's it going to come from? That's what's interesting. And so this kind of opened my eyes because I hadn't really looked at the 2020 and 2016 Bitcoin monthly returns in a while, and kind of looked at them with the lens of specifically what are we going to do in the remaining 2 weeks of December. Now, moving into January, I think it's going to be amazing. Everybody's going to be excited. A, it's a brand new year, but B, we've got Trump taking office, all those kind of things. So it's going to be interesting to watch, right? So I want to see what happens and what plays out for the remaining 2 weeks. And historically, we should end up, up, if you will. All right. Before I let you go, remember, if you're interested in getting some help with knowing when to buy and when to sell any and all cryptos, and getting even more insight into making even more money and even more profit in this crypto market, kind of getting ready for this next major leg move up that we're talking about, and knowing the perfect time to buy, you need to try out my software, my trading indicator, X1 Algo. Links are in the description below. There's a discount code down there, SP1. Use that at checkout. You get a massive discount, but also use the quarterly options, the best and cheapest one. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. The software costs about $1 a day after you apply that discount. $1 a day is nothing to you. It's nothing to anybody really. And it helps give you insight knowing when to buy and when to sell. Okay. So you can lock in those profits. As an example, in this XRP chart from here to here, this blue box is 389% up. So $1,000 bought here, sold here would have made you a profit of $3,893. What could you do different with an extra $1,000, $2,000, $3,000? That's what the software helps you to do. The people that are making a ton of money in crypto, and by the way, in stocks, because the software works on stocks as well. This is Netflix, like right here to here. Blue box, 127 days, 52% up. Tells you when to buy and when to sell. Bitcoin right here. This is a Bitcoin chart. So look, there's the Bitcoin. Look at this, perfectly timed buy all the way to that sell, 40%. That's the Bitcoin chart. It tells you when to buy and when to sell. The cool thing is that you can set up alerts. This is the thank you page you see after you join right here. It says thank you page. Okay, so step-by-step videos walking you through everything you need to get up and running. I have everything from grandmas, grandpas to teenagers using this, okay, and everything in between. Right there's the video on how to create alerts. The alerts you can set up where they'll come in on your phone or on your computer, and it will literally say, XRP up, XRP down, whatever alert you're looking for. You can have alerts for any cryptos, any stocks, anything. Notifies you as to when the perfect time is to buy and sell and make profit. Because let's call it what it is. You're here to make money, right? You're here to make money in crypto. So why not give yourself an added advantage? Because right now I'm going to challenge you. Do you know when to buy and or when to sell any of your cryptos to make the most possible money and the most possible return profits and put those profits in your pocket? The odds are no. You're flying blind. Most people are flying blind in buying and selling crypto. They're not using technology. And that's what the software helps you to do. Okay. So give it a try. Look, you got 30 days, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. So you have zero risk in this. Try something different. And I guarantee you probably will like it. And if you don't, you get a refund. So you got zero risk. All right. I'll see you.